Welcome back to the channel. I'm Crypto Trend Trader, and today we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. But before we get started, I'd like to remind you it's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. These markets are extremely volatile, so please do your own research and trade responsibly. Alright, so here we have Bitcoin. It's a Bitstamp chart. I'm on the 4-hour right now, and obviously we've been in that descending triangle now for months. Finally got the breakdown, and then we were basically consolidating inside of this little smaller descending triangle. And just like we said, the oscillator's getting real tired. We got the breakout to the upside, and we came back up to this resistance point here, which we had formed on the way down, and now we're putting in basically like a sideways channel, bouncing around inside of that, and now this is our touch point on top. So what we expect to happen here is either consolidation and then further move to the upside, or a violent sell-off back down to the heart line or breakout point, and then just further fill out this triangle. But the real pattern here now is basically going to be just the larger version of the descending triangle, just further filling out. But we're expecting, if we get the further move to the upside, that we're going to get stopped by either this purple downsloping resistance line, the green support that we broke down from, and essentially come back up, retest it, and then that fails, which could come into confluence with the red resistance line of the top channel there as well. And if we were to get the sell-off, we would just expect it to come down either to the heart line here, which corresponds with the descending channel's heart line as well, or back down to the bottom of the pattern, or one of these further channel resistances, or support levels rather, down here. But as you'll see, we've been corresponding pretty well with the fib levels. What we're going to do right now is we're going to grab the fib retracement tool, and we're going to go from the swing high here down to the bottom. Color that one in orange, and we'll see we got the move back up to the 236. If we can consolidate here at the 236, we could expect to move back up to the 382, or even as high as the 0.5, which would give us a target of around 9,300, which would correspond with the breakdown. That will give us 50% retracement of the move down here, which is a common retracement. Give us a retest, and then assuming this the rally fails, we would basically just fill out this channel and then come back down, and we could see lower prices. But I think at this point in time, there's no reason to think we're not going to get continuation in this scenario. We are at the top of this channel, so I would expect us to sell off some and get some kind of a push back down. But you know, after that little breakout right there, I think we could see some continuation. Yeah, I mean, we could come back down anywhere in this range right here, and it'd be a respectable level to consolidate at, and then we could get the break further to the upside. So I would say we'll look for a target area around here for further continuation. But if we get a massive sell-off, like a violent dump like this, then you know that changes, and I think it's more likely that we just see considerable amount of sell-off, and that this was in fact just a resistance line, but it wasn't the full pattern, and that we're just going to fill out this channel. What I was expecting to see was actually like a channel forming, like an ascending channel forming, something where we were slowly getting like a push back up and then a violent dump off, so we could get like the momentum up, or maybe get a spring and then a sell-off so we get the momentum up. But I think that was basically just like our double bottom scenario playing out here. We had came down for the third time and tested it. We got the reaction we were talking about. It looked like a double bottom here. Failed to get the breakout here. Came back, tested it again. So as soon as we found support, you know, it was very high likelihood that we're going to break out to the upside with this powerful move to the top and then consolidation. But again, you'll see a similar signature right here, and we failed. So, you know, you really don't know with these patterns, but again, you're only going to sell off so many times before you would expect to get a move back in the other direction. But at this point in time, we're just looking to re-enter shorts from a higher price. We're not necessarily looking to play every single move inside of this, because that is like counter trend trading, and we do like to stick with the trend. So there we have it. This Bitstamp chart. Going to the daily here real quick, just to kind of get a broader look. Doesn't look like anything different going on here. Let's pull up a couple of indicators. You'll see we did get the buy zone accumulation all through here. and now we're getting the push up on the Stokes slope. It says continuation. We did get the volatile explosion level above the line and moving to the upside, and then finally, same thing with Fisher. We accumulate all through down here, and then we get the move up, and we would expect a at some point in time a level out, probably around this 382 or zero point 0.5 or even back up to the 618. But it's staying inside this channel, we would expect to move up here and then sell off. But again, this may get faded sooner just because we are on such a bearish trend right now, and it has been confirmed. This looks to me just like a psych out, just a reaction rally. Alright, there we have it, guys. That's Crypto Trend Trader signing off.